Hello. And welcome back to Smart Money.
Ever dreamed of making money while you sleep? Of owning properties that work for you? Well, buckle up because today, we're diving into the exciting world of real estate investing for beginners. And trust me, it's easier than you think. Let's start with a quick myth-busting session. Number 1, you don't need to be rich to invest in real estate. Nope. You just need the right strategy. And number 2, you don't need to have a degree in finance. All you need is knowledge, patience, and a plan. Okay, let's break this down into 3 simple steps. Ready? 1. Know your why. Are you investing for cash flow? Long-term wealth? Quick flips? Knowing your why will shape your strategy. For example, rental properties equals passive income. House flipping equals quick cash but higher risk. Pick your lane. 2. Start small. Think big. You don't need $1 million mansion to start. A small rental, a fixer-upper, even house hacking, where you live in one unit and rent the rest, can get you in the game. Oh, and did you know? You can invest with other people's money. More on that in a sec. 3. Financing like a pro. Cash is king, but leverage is power. Mortgages, private lenders, even seller financing can help you buy with little to no money down. Pro tip: check out FHA loans, which let you buy with just 3.5% down. Yep, even for beginners. Now, let's talk about location. Would you rather buy in a hot market like Miami or an emerging city with hidden potential? Here's the trick: look for job growth, population increase, and infrastructure projects. Follow the money. And before you buy anything, run the numbers. Your deal should make sense on paper before it makes sense in real life. Use the 1% rule. If the monthly rent is at least 1% of the purchase price, you're in a good spot. Alright, real estate rookies, it's time to take action. Start researching markets, connect with investors, and remember, the best investment you can make is in yourself. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn that notification bell. See you in the next video.